Namaste. Welcome to this grounding yoga flow to release stress and overwhelm. We will begin in child's pose by bringing your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. You can keep your knees together or separate them as much as you want to. Then bring your upper body down. Walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat and place your forehead down on the ground. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose, and at the same time you can stretch your upper body by lifting up on your fingertips and then lower your palms back down onto your mat. Take a few more deep cleansing breaths, allowing yourself to arrive to this moment right here, right now on your mat. And then let's add a side body stretch. Walk your right hand out to the right side. Doesn't have to be super far. Bring your upper body up and then bring your left hand on top of your right. Keep rooting down through your sitting bones and notice a side body stretch in your left side. Switching sides, walk your hands over to your left side, place your right hand on top of your left, and then lower your forehead down. Remember to keep rooting down through your sit bones. And then walk your hands back to center, to child's pose. Take a deep breath. And then we'll add a gentle twist and shoulder stretch by lifting your left arm up, then cross it under your chest over towards your right side and rest on your left ear and left shoulder. Take another few deep cleansing breaths. Release any tension with each exhale. And then switch sides. Bring your left hand back. And then reach your right arm up. And bring it under your chest over towards your left side. And rest on your right ear, right cheek, and right shoulder. Take deep cleansing breaths. Allow your body to soften. Relax your face and jaw, the muscles around your eyes. And then release, come back to center, to child's pose. Notice how your body feels right now. If your thoughts are wandering, it's totally normal and it's totally okay. Every time that happens and every time you notice it, gently bring it back, bring your awareness back to your body and to your breath. And let's add another shoulder stretch by resting on your elbows right here in child's pose. And bring your palms together and then bring them up towards the sky. Then lower your hands down. Slowly and gently come out of your child's pose. Let your arms do the work, so really push yourself up. Press your hands into the earth. And then take a moment in hero pose, so sitting on your heels with your knees together. Lengthen your spine, rest your palms on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And then release. We will work our way down to the ground. So with your knees up, holding onto your knees, slowly roll yourself all the way down till you're lying down on your back with your knees up. Bring your heels closer to your seat and your feet are hip-width apart. Press your palms, your arms are along your body, press your palms firmly into the ground. Keep pressing and then lift your hips up towards the sky for bridge pose and keep your head in the center to protect your neck. Take a big belly breath. And this is a nice way to stretch out our hips and offer a counter stretch to child's pose. Bridge pose also really helps to calm the brain and the central nervous system. And then slowly roll yourself back down one vertebra at a time. Then bring your knees towards your chest and then extend your legs up towards the sky so your legs are vertical. And then take a moment to find that balancing, that sweet spot where you can hold your legs up without too much effort for a legs up the wall pose. Arms are along your body, head is in the center. Keep your breath smooth, steady, and even. This gentle inversion is very calming and restorative and helps to bring your body into a state of deep relaxation and renewal. And then bend your legs. Hug your right knee into your chest, lengthen out your left leg, and come into a spinal twist. You can scoop your hips a few inches over to your right and bring your right knee over to your left. You can hold your right knee with your left hand. You can lengthen out your right arm. Get as comfortable into your twist pose as possible. Breathe deeply. Slowly come back to center. Switch sides. Lengthen out your right leg. Hug your left knee into your chest. Shift your hips a few inches over to your left. And bring your left knee over to your right. So you can hold on to your left knee. And then lengthen out your left arm at shoulder height on the floor. Take a few deep cleansing breaths in a supine spinal twist. On your next inhale, come back to center. And take a moment to listen to your body. Stretch yourself out or hug your knees into your chest. Do what feels good. Follow your body. Let your body guide you. And then come into Savasana, corpse pose, to finish our practice. Lengthen your legs out. Take up a lot of space. Let your feet fall out to the sides, arms along your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes or softly gaze at a non-moving spot. And notice where your body touches the floor. Where's your body connecting with the earth? Every time you inhale, feel the spaciousness in your body, and each time you exhale, notice your body softening and melting, connecting more and more with the earth. The earth is here to support you, hold you, and carry you. Before we finish our practice, I have a few affirmations for you that you can use as seeds of awareness, and let these seeds grow. I am right where I need to be, and things are going well. I am right where I need to be, and things are going well. I am divinely protected in all ways. I am divinely protected in all ways. Let these affirmations, these words, settle and echo in your whole being and allow these seeds of awareness to grow. Then begin to deepen your breath. Invite movement into your body, into your hands and your fingers, your feet and your toes. Slowly bring your knees up and roll over to your right side into fetal position. From there, push yourself up, and I'll meet you in a cross-legged seated position. And let's close our practice together with a deep cleansing breath. Circle your arms up, gather all the love, light, and positive energy. Exhale, draw it into your whole being. Unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to pause and ground yourself, relax and release. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like and share this video with your friends and family, and I look forward to seeing you soon again.